Today, I'll be transforming boring rooms into beautiful, cozy bedrooms. Let's transform this empty bedroom. First, unroll a large textured rug. Assemble the bed and dresser, layer fluffy bedding and artwork. Style with candles and flowers. Now you have a dream space. Let's turn this plain room into my dream space. First, I build the bed frame and unroll a plush rug. Soft bedding, underbed lighting, and wall art make it cozy. Fairy lights and fresh flowers add that perfect vibe. Let's turn this plain room into my dream space. And here is the final reveal. Let's turn this boring room into my dream space. First, we build the frame. Add a comfy mattress, layer up the fairy lights, hang some abstract art, and style the final details. And that's it. Let's turn this plain room into my dream space. First, I'm assembling the bed frame. Next, I'm adding these vertiwout slats for the headboard. Now I'll add the rug, adding some furniture and cozy bedroom. And that's it. Let's turn this empty room into a cozy oasis. First, I'm assembling the bed frame and adding soft bedding. Next, let's add some wall and underbed lighting. Time for furniture, some cute art. Let's transform this plain room. First, assemble the frame and add lighting. Now hang your art and add some fairy lights. Place the dresser and TV to finish. And that is how you create this exact cozy vibe. Let's turn this plain bedroom into a cozy oasis. I'm starting with the bed frame and some fairy lights. Let's add some underbed lighting. Here is the final look. I hope you love it. Let's turn this plain room into a cozy oasis. First, I build the bed frame and add the LED lights for that base glow. Now, let's hang the curtains and that's it, a fit cozy bedroom. Thanks for watching!